and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be talking about Salesforce's very own Trailhead. Trailhead is Salesforce's online learning platform that allows you to take part in quizzes and hands-on exercises to allow you to enhance your Salesforce knowledge whilst having fun. Anyone can use Trailhead as it is free to sign up to, and you can choose exactly what you want to learn about and the level of knowledge you would like to gain. To access Trailhead, all you have to do is open your browser and navigate to www.trailhead.com. If you already have an account, log in with one of the supported options, or if you are new, create a new account. When you log into Trailhead, you will first see your home page. If you have any trails assigned to you, then they will display here, and you will see in the top corner of your screen the number of points and badges you have. Points and badges are earned by completing modules, trails, and super badges. Let's talk about what each of those are. We're going to start with trails. Trails are predefined learning paths for you to follow. Each trail is made up of modules, and each module is made up of units. When I click into a trail, I see the modules that make up that trail. If I then click into a module, I can see the units that make up that module. If I click into a unit, I'm given the content of that unit. This content could be an explanation of functionality or could be a business scenario in which the functionality is used. The content can also contain click paths if the unit ends with a hands-on exercise. The sidebar of the unit segments the information into topics, making it easy to source the information you want. If I scroll down the unit, you will see that along with the content of the unit, I am also provided with helpful screenshots to give me a visual idea of the content. At the bottom of the unit, I will either have a quiz or a hands-on exercise. The answers to the quiz are all stored in the content of the unit. You then choose your answers and earn points for your correct answers. Don't worry if you get any wrong, you can try again until you get the right answer. Be careful though, the more wrong attempts, the less points you achieve from the unit. The hands-on exercises are completed in Trailhead Playgrounds, which are dummy orgs that you can complete all of your challenges in. The exercises are split into different steps for you to check. Once you have completed the steps, click on the Check Challenge button to check that you have done the challenge correctly and collect the points. If you're feeling very confident and feel like you need a challenge, try a super badge. A super badge is just like any other hands-on challenge, but instead of being taken through step by step, you are given a business scenario and then left to go and build it. No clues or helpful tips and tricks, a real test of your knowledge. You verify what you have done every few steps and then at the end achieve lots of points and your super badge. If you want your users to complete certain modules and they aren't currently linked together in a trail, you can create a trail mix from existing modules within Trailhead. You can choose exactly which modules you would like to make up the trail mix and then assign them to your users using the trail tracker from the App Exchange. If you like Trailhead and you feel that it would really benefit your users to use it, tell them to sign up. Or even better, implement My Trailhead in your company so that your users can benefit from the platform of Trailhead, but create content completely customized to your company's Salesforce and business scenarios. If you want to know more about My Trailhead, check out our webpage. Thanks for watching. See you next time.